Hi, I'm Josh from Hoselink, and today I'm going to explain how to install a Hoselink Retractable Hose Reel onto a weatherboard. It's important to mount the hose reel bracket onto a flat surface to ensure it doesn't bend and break under the weight of the reel. To mount onto an uneven surface, such as this weatherboard, you'll need to make a backing board for the bracket first. To do this, you'll need a 20mm piece of marine plywood. Set your hose reel bracket onto the wood and draw around it. Cut the wood to size, then paint all sides to weatherproof it. Now you're ready to start installing your hose reel. First, choose the wall or surface you want to mount the reel onto, then, using a stud finder, find the framing stud. You'll need to drill through to the stud when attaching the backing board. Measure how high you'd like the hose reel to sit and mark with a pencil. We recommend mounting at 850mm, measuring from the ground to the bottom of the wall bracket. Mark out 2 holes in the middle of the mounting board, approximately 25mm from the top and bottom. Hold the mounting board in position where you marked on the wall, ensuring it's level. Then, use a 5mm drill bit to drill 2 pilot holes through the backing board and into the weatherboard and stud. Secure the board in place with 2 14-gauge 100mm stainless steel wood screws. Fasten the screws with a 6mm hex bit. Ensure the board isn't screwed in too tight to avoid damaging the weatherboard. Now you have a flat surface to work with, use the wall bracket to mark out the 4 holes on the backing board. Use a piece of coloured tape to mark out 60mm on your 5mm wood drill bit. This will help you drill the bracket hole to the right depth. Drill all 4 holes up to the tape marker. Add a washer to each of your screws, set the bracket in place, then secure into each of the holes using a Phillips head screwdriver or a 10mm socket with extension. Once you've finished installing the bracket, you can lift the reel and slot it into the bracket hole. Next, screw the universal tap connector onto the garden tap. To connect the leader hose to the tap, line up the lugs on the pre-attached hose end connector with the tap connector and twist together. You'll feel them click into place. Next, screw the accessory connector with swivel into the end of the spray gun. This fitting should already be attached to the end of your hose when you take it out of the box. If it isn't, simply line up the lugs between the accessory connector with swivel and the hose connector with flow control and twist to connect. Make sure the flow control lever is switched to the open position. Now you're all set and ready to go.